Now, the Supreme Court has slammed Haryana and Punjab governments over the non-compliance in its earlier order amidst rising level of air pollution. The apex court has warned the Chief Secretary of Haryana that actions will be taken against him if no action is taken on the burning of stubble. The Supreme Court has given a week's time to Haryana and Punjab governments to come up with solutions. The Supreme Court has also questioned the states on why they are not taking action on time. The Supreme Court directed the Commissioner for Air Quality Management to take penal action against state officers as well. Sambhav Sharma on the telecast with me. Sambhav, this is a perennial problem that is faced by Delhi and the neighbouring states of Haryana and Punjab. The Supreme Court has come down heavily on the Punjab and Haryana governments, but will that push the secretaries and officials who have been appointed to ensure that the stubble burning is reduced? It is reduced to then finally preventing such activities to take place in the states. How do we ensure that action will be taken and will be taken in a timely fashion?
Today, the Supreme Court has slammed the Punjab and Haryana government, calling them out for completely failure in not curbing the pollution menace in the area and not prosecuting those who are violating the pollution laws. And apart from it, the Supreme Court also again today drilled CAQM, Commission for Air Quality Management, which look after the recommendations and strict laws over the pollution menace. However, the CAQM said that there are certain ways through which we can curb the pollution, but obviously the bench led by Justice Abhay S. Oka again and again questioned CAQM over its inability, calling it a kind of toothless tiger. Okay. And Supreme Court has also asked the Punjab and Haryana government to come up with affidavit. The Chief Secretaries will have to now come to the Supreme Court and explain what actions on the ground they are doing, and the time they have given, the court has given the time till October 23rd. It is to be seen how these actions are going to work on the ground, as the Delhi air pollution, you can see in and around Delhi, is worsening as the Diwali approaches.
Talking about non-compliance of the Supreme Court's earlier order, what was it that the Supreme Court put out in its order? What did it entail?
Well, yes, of course, there are two angles to it. One is directly with Punjab and Haryana government's inaction, and the other is when it comes to CAQM, the action taken by CAQM at the ground level. Supreme Court has questioned both the Punjab and Haryana government and CAQM in this regard and asked to take strict action, penal action against those who are violating the law and who are contributing to the pollution in any way.
For more such videos, subscribe to the NewsX YouTube channel, hit the bell icon.